Wondering what this is? Well, this is the Fivona Sitz Bath, and I'm going to show you how to set it up because it is super simple. First, you're going to go ahead and unfold the silicone center until it's fully expanded, just like this. Then, you're going to go ahead and place it directly on your toilet seat, just like this. It is designed to fit most standard toilet shapes, so round, oval, elongated, don't worry about the fit. It should fit your toilet just fine. Next, fill it with warm water. If you're doing a sitz bath, you can add your Epsom salt. If you're using it for a yoni steam, just go ahead and add your favorite herbs. And these vent holes are actually going to help prevent overflow. And when you're done, just simply empty the water. Go ahead and rinse everything clean and just fold it back. Simply store it away in a cabinet or hang it to dry using the provided hook. So get ready for your regular self-care because as you can see, the whole process is super simple.